Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log out from your account on Instagram feeds, easy and quick. If you want to log out, first go to Instagram feeds and then click here, and after that go to these two lines and then just click logout and click logout here, and that's it. After that you will be logged out from your account and you can log in again whenever you want. And that's it. It's easy, and that's it for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.